Welcome to a Tech. In this video you will learn that how to install iOS 26 beta version in your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open Google and search Apple Developer. Then on top click on first link. Then on top left corner click on 3 lines. And in last click on accounts. Now sign in Apple Developer with your Apple ID. Then you will find Enroll Today option. Simply tap on it. Now open your settings and then click on Generals. Now tap on Software Update. And then click on Beta Update. Next you will find 2 options, so select iOS 26 Developers Beta. And in last click on Update Now button. And your iPhone will be updated to iOS 26 Beta. If you found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe my channel for more tech updates.